There we go.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Less
Happy?
wonky.
Happy?
Yes.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
It's not what we say. We say...
Merry Vlogmas!
I'm coughing again.
Poor old thing.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not good.
Yeah.
He's a poor old thing.
Did you have any of your gin last night?
I did.
Which one?
The
Both?
first one. No.
Tanqueray?
Yeah.
Both.
Was it nice?
No. Yes, I mean... yeah, it was very nice.
You're trying getting asked too many questions at once.
It was very nice, thank you. Yes.
This is good.
I've had some of my licorice.
Oh, Elena would like a report on the flavours
It's
that
fabulous.
you picked good flavours.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so day 3. There we go. Oh, it's another little one. You're going to be a day behind with your gin the entire time, aren't you?
Yeah, splendid. Oh, Edinburgh gin.
E.G.
E.G. Who heard of that?
Here we go. So,
Mm.
this will be
Thank you.
2 days report back time.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I think now I have to hunt.
Right.
So could you
Hold that while you
there
hunt.
we go.
Those
There we
ones
go.
along the side. Oh,
3, found it.
very
Little
good.
square one. Very pretty paper. Little heart wreaths. That is, yes, that is 3. Have a moment of like, can I read?
It's nice, isn't it? Having a little parcel to open every day.
Yeah.
Very special.
Oh, more stickers. Oh, they're little plants. They're so cute. Oh, I like those. Thank you. The year that Rachel did me an advent calendar, she sent me some washi tape that was very similar to this.
Oh, right,
Which I
yeah,
like.
yeah.
So thank you very much. Okay, so that one and that one. We've got to give ourselves some room for sleuthing.
Oh, yeah. Rescue my gin.
Yes, we worked that out yesterday. Hang on.
Good job.
Oh, he's getting so excited. He's read the instructions whilst Mum and I were
Yes.
waffling. Okay, day 3.
Number 3.
Ooh, lots of cards.
Yeah.
More cards.
Oh, you've got another employee
Yeah.
card there. Ooh,
Now,
and rope. I'll just have a look.
well, these are the idea cards.
Code. Blue, yellow, green.
Oh,
So it's like
it's a sewing room,
It's a
is
sewing
it?
room. Yeah, look,
Yeah.
there's a singer.
Ah,
My finger is giant. There's a little
Yeah.
It's
singer.
a sewing room, but also, if you
It's a
look,
treadle.
this is a button,
Uh-huh.
which has got 4
Yeah.
holes in it. From above to below, sew through the hole, always pull the thread taut.
Do we need an actual sewing needle? I have one.
not that big.
Not put this big, you haven't.
I've got one that big. Oh, you have?
Beg your pardon?
Oh.
Excuse me? What do I do for a living?
Oh, you've got everything.
Well, no, but I clearly have that one thing.
Is it big enough? I've got bigger ones if you want.
We just thought, does that remind you of anyone with ears?
Are you saying that looks like me? No, it's looking at our faces. It doesn't look up. Doesn't want faces. Who is this reminding you of?
Not too far away.
Pairing eyes on the needles. Mine's the one on the left. Making any kind of an... Is that a 1?
Is that a one?
It's supposed to be taut every time.
Yes.
Okay, so you can...
And a 4.
A
Now,
1 and a 4.
Can you spot anything on the button?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
a 1.
that's a 1.
Okay,
And that's a 4.
excellent.
And then it says it should be, so blue is first, yellow is second, and then green.
Then green.
Yeah.
It's green.
Well,
And then we need to find out what the green
1,
represents.
4.
Oh, green is blue and yellow added together. So 5. 1, 4, 5?
Yeah.
Are we right?
I don't know yet. Hang on.
Blue and yellow added
Yeah, we
together
got that
equals
much.
green.
Yeah, 1, 4, 5. Well done.
So
That's clever, isn't it?
that's a 1 and that's a 4.
That was very clever.
Yeah, very good.
I like that one. It took us a little long to work out where green came from. Right, so Mum, you've been at church this morning and you've been making your sourdough. Yeah. She's just abandoned us. Papa,
Yes.
you have been cat sitting this morning, haven't you?
And watching some cricket and watching some football.
Football, like which league football?
Oh, FA Cup.
Oh, okay. It's
All
Wickham,
the leagues
Wickham.
play together.
Oh.
Yeah. The minnows play the stars.
I did wonder why Wickham was, yeah, I was a little bit confused by that,
Yeah.
but there we go.
Me too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, your plans for this afternoon? Oh, I'm still filming.
I'm
down
going
there.
shopping.
Oh, cucumber, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. And what about you?
Sourdough.
Sourdough. And I've got panels to sew together for a tiered and gathered skirt for the tutorial. So I've also got lots of editing to do because I have only just managed to get day 1 working because the internet gave up on me last night, but it seems to be working again this afternoon.
Well, okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
But thumbnail.
I have got a shirt to be making. But...
Yep.
Yes, it's all cut out. They're beautiful.
Another thumbnail.
Yeah. Well, there's going to be one every day.
Do I look serious?
You're meant to smile. Pretend that you like us.
I do.
We believe you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
See you tomorrow for more of the same.
Yep.
Don't forget we need a gin report.
Yeah, gin report.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to get on and do all that editing and stuff and try and get the skirt done today as well. So wish me luck and fingers crossed. We come back to you for a very important kitten update. Maximus, my love, in the wide world of the front room where you have 2 of your beds, 2 sofas and 2 chairs to sit on, the fact that you are choosing to stick your back half onto a side table is interesting. And neither of you guys have had lunch. Are you hungry? Food? Nope, just sleeps. Okay. Don't know if you can hear them, but they have both started purring. We haven't had a boy cat for a very long time. The difference in like his physiognomy, like he's just so sturdy compared to this tiny little delicate flower. A little beauty spot on her nose. Oh. Nope, you don't. You can. Oh, okay, I'm gonna sit on your sister instead. You can go on the lap. It feels funny, doesn't it? You're not used to dresses. You're used to dressing gowns, fluffy dressing gowns, because they needed them for protection. Oh! Well, we didn't need to see that, young man. Nope, just gonna sit on your sister. You are so rude. Oh, Izzy, did he wake you up, baby? Oh. You are ridiculous. They are just unbelievably cute, although I don't think they're used to me wearing normal clothes because I have always been around them in either jogging bottoms or fluffy dressing gowns so that I'm somewhat protected from teeny tiny claws. Yeah, they were very unsure about the viscose dress. They were like, I'm not sure about this. They'd get on and get off again, but they're so cute. I have managed to edit and upload day 1 of Vlogmas. I am just about to finish editing day 2 of Vlogmas and then obviously filming day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm going to try and get this one edited this evening as well, so I will be back to being a day in advance, which will be lovely. I had the hangout with the Patreon peeps first today, and then I had the hangout with the general subscribers of the channel, which was really lovely to do again. Once I've got all of the editing done from today, I am going to persevere and hopefully get more of this skirt put together, because it would be really cool to get the skirt part of this tutorial together. It's quite quick. There's only one... No, there's a couple of techniques for the piping for this skirt that I would need to film, but once those have been done, I can just get the... Oh, hello. Always another comment on the waffle, on the first day of Vlogmas. Yeah, I can just go through and kind of power through and get the rest of the skirt done. That is the plan for this afternoon. More editing than some actual sewing. Wish me luck. Anyway, waffling at you is not going to get any of those things done, so let me get on and get those things done, and then we can get to some actual sewing content, which will be awesome. I will be back in a little bit.
One eternity later.
It is much later in the day. Ooh, no, go away. It is much later. It's actually 4 minutes to 7. Usually I would have finished for the evening and taken you up to edit you, but I was really hungry at 4:30, so I went up to the main house and offered to cook dinner, and we ate dinner early. Anyway, I have come back down here because I am determined to get at least some of this skirt done today. Because it's otherwise, yeah. So I am going to I've ironed my 5 panels that for the bottom tier, so I'm going to get them sewn together, or the beginning of their French seams sewn together, so I can then press those ones that you can just see there and finish the French seams off, and at the very least sew the piping on and the gathering stitches in, although I may not put the tiers together just yet. So let's get on and get that done. It is 8:30 and I'm halfway through the first tier. Is anyone surprised? I fully expected to be able to sew the entire thing this evening and have it all finished. And theoretically I could if I carried on, but I also have editing to do and some sleep to catch up on and Chiana to go and see. So I'm going to call it a night for now. So I hope you've enjoyed day 3 of Vlogmas. I am really looking forward to seeing how this is going to turn out. I love the combination of the pink piping with the emerald green fabric. I think it's going to look epic, and Lynn, thank you so much for the suggestion for this skirt. It's a lot of work, but it's going to be really, really cool. Right, so I'm going to call it a night, so I will see you guys tomorrow for more Advent kitten updates and fingers crossed some actual sewing. More actual sewing. I'll see you then. Bye!